environment. It doesn't matter which part of the world is being polluted, because the world is connected. You cause pollution in America, it's going to affect the entire planet. You could look now in the sea, everything is depreciating life, even the plants, the fish, the crabs. A lot of people love eating crabs. A lot of the fish in the sea now are getting higher level of mercury. So when you start eating them, the food that we are making, in 20 years time from now, there's gonna be a lot of acidic rain. So water is gonna be really expensive. It's gonna be hard to find clean water from the rivers. Then also, there's so many problems, human rights abuses. But if we raise the EQ level and every human being we impact with our stories, then we'll be able to get more people who care on top of the pyramid. And if we have more people who care on the top of the pyramid, then the world is going to be in a better place. You guys get what I'm saying? So probably next one of you here is going to be an ambassador in their country, or the next business tycoon, or the next great scientist, or whatever you guys could be, or the next big Hollywood actor or sportman. But if you learn from what we have now, when you get to your position of power, you can really make a big difference. And also for now, you're at school, you can still make an impact. You can write to your senator, send an email, post a video on YouTube. You could just go and say, look, I don't like what is going on with young women in the war-torn farm. You can just, now that with the technology, everything is easy. But I'm just going to stop here because I don't have much time. I'm going to do a spoken word. If this thing was done earlier, probably I would have come with the whole band and give you guys a show, please, But now, I'm going to give you a spoken word. This spoken word is dedicated to a British aid worker called Emma McHugh.